Hi, I'm Dr. Meghna Singh, your board certified dermatologist. And today I will be talking on one of the most relevant topics, which is brewing everywhere in every conversation, and that is weight loss with the help of certain drugs versus sustainable weight loss. Well, let me first address the two major weight loss drugs, which are the main conversation in today's world, Ozempic and Mounjaro. Let me give you a detailed breakdown about what the drug does, for which patients are they, what investigations should you be doing, what side effects you should expect, and how much weight of fat reduction you should expect. So Ozempic is a semaglutide molecule. It is a GLP-1 receptor agonist, whereas Mounjaro is a terzapeptide molecule. It works on two receptors, GIP and GLP-1 receptor agonist. Both's mechanism of action is to reduce the gastric emptying, which makes you sort of feel fuller for longer, and it also acts on the brain's appetite receptor, which decreases your hunger and cravings. Before starting this, you should be doing your basic investigations written by your patient. These are for patients who are diabetic, who have extreme obesity, who have heart issues, and for patients who have very religiously followed a diet and a healthy lifestyle protocol but have not really received any change in their body. And patients with metabolic syndrome. Metabolic syndrome is the new pandemic, which includes high lipids, high HbA1c, high uric acid, and insulin. So these are really amazing drugs. Now, according to the pharmaceutical surveillance, these are FDA approved for diabetes, but they are still not FDA approved for weight loss. So the study for weight loss is still ongoing. Now, given with whatever research I have done and talking constantly with the company people, I want to tell you what you should expect from these medicines. More than loss in weight, I mean when I say weight in kgs, you will see an inch loss over 4 to 6 weeks. You will see that the water retention is reducing. You will see that your clothes are fitting you better, and in few patients the weight in kgs might not come down, but they might lose a lot of inches. And if you want to taper it off, you have to gradually taper it off. You cannot stop it suddenly. Once you stop the course after you have attained your desired weight loss, there is going to be a rebound weight. It might not be as similar to what your baseline weight was, but there will definitely be a rebound weight. What are the side effects that you will see in Ozempic and Mounjaro? You will see nausea, vomiting, constipation, bloating. These are not to be given to patients who have any pancreatic issue, who have thyroid cancer. This should also not be given to patients who have mild anxiety, depression, post-pregnancy, who are lactating. These are few things which are to be really under check. Now we know that obesity is a very big disease prevalent in India, and these drugs always help to lose weight. But before starting these drugs and before getting drawn into the social media frenzy about this, always consult your doctor if you are the right candidate for this. Now, coming about weight loss in the sustainable manner. Well, I feel like I'm an ardent follower of sustainable way of weight loss. You might have to have everyday discipline, dedication, and you'll have to be very religious about it. But once you are out of the form for 1 week, 2 weeks, the rebound weight does not happen. And even when you're on Ozempic and Mounjaro, you have to follow a strict diet and strict exercise protocol, drink much more plenty water, have much more proteins. When you're on a sustainable weight loss, the chances of side effects of medicines are much less, you are in much more control of your body than giving control to your drug. So I feel as a doctor, just giving into Mounjaro or Ozempic out of pure laziness is something that I would not encourage. I would always tell my patients, try the sustainable way of weight loss first. If you feel like you are not getting any results, and if you feel like you fit into the category of the patients that I said, then you should give this a shot. For more such tips, follow for more.